Hello, in this lecture I want to update data. I use this method and copy this and paste here and change to blog and use ID and use edit. Okay, and return view admin blogs edit and pass the ID function and use ID. Use dollar articles and use article and use method find for find ID. Okay, I use dd dollar articles. For example, I use ID 64 and use edit and see data 60 and 4. Okay, I use admin blogs create, copy this and change name to edit. Okay, and open edit and close this, open edit and change root name and use title to add it to value and use this method to access the value dollar article colors use articles change to article and or article and title. Okay, use value and slug and use body in here and dollar article and body. If refresh in change the web and change this, use compact or use this article, use method dollar article. Okay, if refresh see this and see come back data of database and we can access this data with use dollar article and method name in value in or value text area. Okay, for update we change this route and we define a new route for post. Copy this and paste here and use change. We can change this our post and use blog ID edit. Okay, for update we can use this method, use it in this. We can validate data. Okay, and in edit change to action to admin and we can name it this route and use this, but we can use without name admin and name blogs and dollar article access dollar article ID, and we can use edit method use post, and for validate we can use this. Okay, refresh and delete this and submit. The slug field is required and the title must be 10 character. Use this and submit. It is work but not update. Okay, open web.php and it is work this, and use find or fail. If not find, use or find or fail. If not found, have a not access and error 404. And for update we can use change this return redirect back or return back. Okay, we can use article and dollar article, just use update method and use dollar valid data valid and finish. Refresh this page and resend. Change it name this and change and change. Submit. Update data. If refresh article and change this, we can update this, and we can update all data of database with change ID 63 and edit new post 2 and a slug change it. If refresh, change it a slug.